Hey, if you are wondering if you can find Spotify on the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro, then it's actually not available. There's like no way that you can download Spotify from an app gallery into your Watch Fit 5 Pro by using your phone. What you can do, you can actually download the For Spotify controller application, but the bad thing is that you have to pay for it. So it's not a free application, and it looks like this, that you are downloading this on your watch, then you are downloading this on your phone by using the app gallery. So you have to also download the app gallery from the browser or the Huawei website, and you have to download Spotify control for Spotify control. There we go. You will have to open it, and now when you just try to log in, you will have to actually pay for this. So if you want, you can do this, of course. It's not like a full Spotify application that will be on your phone. You will be able to only find few things. So it's not that good. And in my opinion, it's not worth to pay even like 50 cents for it. But that's up to your preferences. This is just a quick information that I want to give you.